Traders are keeping their eyes on updates about the war and Fed speakers this week. Let's take it right over to Jared Levy of DBHW Wealth Partners. Hello, Jared. What are your trading keys?
Yeah, great to be with you, Angie. Good to see you again. Happy Tuesday. Technically, remember, we've experienced a little bit of a breakdown in technicals in the S&P 500. We fell below the 200-day moving average on Friday. Yesterday's recovery was kind of helpful, but we're watching the 6,600 level in the S&P very closely. If we break below that and hold, not a good sign. It's a real light week for economic data. Again, all eyes obviously on the war in Iran. And also this week, we will get commentary from several Fed members. So I'm listening to what they have to say, trying to glean a little bit more insight as to what that committee was thinking and what they're thinking moving forward in terms of interest rates. Okay, so good news. Obviously the U.S. has announced that, operations will cease for 5 days. That's a good thing. Hopefully some talks to be productive. It's a little bit, off because the Iranian foreign ministry said, no, we haven't made any negotiations, but for now, the market likes it. I will say that again, remember, it's a highly fragmented, sort of disconnected situation over there right now. As major military leaders were taken down, you've got other factions kind of coming up. So these are the things that we're concerned with. We're worried, that this is not going to be something that's easily solvable.
What stocks are you watching?
Defense stocks, precious metals, things of that nature. Those probably going to get some support here. And last but not least, recession. A lot of folks worried that, this war will take its toll on, American psyche and on our wallets. But right now I've, used AI to look at all of the analysts that examine our economy. And right now, only the average is about 30 to 31% think that we could have a light recession by 2027. So optimism is still out there. I remain cautious. Again, this week, all eyes on the FOMC members who will be giving their talks and on those technical levels I discussed.
All good to know. Thank you, Jared.
Thanks, Angie.